Imagine a world where your bank isn't a building, but a line of code on the internet, where your insurance policy isn't a piece of paper, but a secure, unchangeable digital record. Welcome to the future of finance, where blockchain technology is the silent revolution changing everything. You thought blockchain was just about Bitcoin, right? Think again. This tech is the Swiss Army knife of finance, doing everything from slicing through bureaucracy to securing your grandma's pension. Let's dive into banking, shall we? Traditional banks, more like traditional bottlenecks. With blockchain, transactions don't need middlemen. Imagine sending money across the globe faster than you can say international transfer fees. Smart contracts automate payments, so when you finally get that raise, it's in your account before your boss even remembers to tell you. Banks are turning into tech companies, or they're going the way of the dodo. Now, insurance. Ever felt like you're betting against the house with your insurance company? Blockchain levels the playing field. Claims, they're processed on-chain, meaning less fraud, more transparency, and quicker payouts. No more waiting months while someone in a cubicle decides if that storm damage was really from a storm. Your policy is coded, your claim is processed, and voila, your next vacation is back on the table. Personal finance? Oh, this is where blockchain gets personal. Think of your financial life as a digital ledger. Every investment, every saving, every expenditure, all interconnected in one secure, transparent network. Your credit score? Now it's not just a number, it's a dynamic, real-time reflection of your financial health, accessible only to you. Investment? Now you can fractionally own anything from real estate to rare art, thanks to tokenization. No more millionaires-only club for investment opportunities. But wait, there's more. Blockchain isn't just changing the game, it's rewriting the rules. Take identity theft, for example. With blockchain, your identity becomes a fortress. Every transaction, every piece of personal data, encrypted and secured in a way that would make Fort Knox look like a suggestion box. Yet, with all this potential, there's a catch. Regulation, or the lack thereof, is like trying to herd cats in a thunderstorm. Governments are playing catch-up, trying to ensure this tech doesn't turn into the Wild West of finance. But here's the kicker. The very nature of blockchain resists centralized control, making regulation a dance of innovation and oversight. And let's not forget the environmental impact. The energy consumption of some blockchain networks could power small countries. But fear not, the tech is evolving. Proof of stake is stepping up, promising to do more with less energy, much like your favorite eco-friendly light bulb. So while blockchain might not be the magic bullet to solve all of finance's woes, it's certainly laying the groundwork for a financial renaissance. A world where financial services are not just faster and cheaper, but also more inclusive, transparent, and secure. This isn't just the future of finance, it's the now of finance quietly unfolding beneath our feet. And as we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is clear. The only constant in finance is change, and blockchain is leading the charge.